clean up.
1, 2, put your toys away with me. Let's all clean up together now. Blocks and balls, cars in a row. Clean them up and watch them go. Clean up, everybody. Clap your hands and move your body. Left, right, up and down. Benny picks the teddy bear. Max puts books neatly there. Luna gathers toys with care. Bolt says, great job everywhere. Clean up, everybody. Clap your hands and move your body.
Toby smiles. We did our part. Teamwork makes a happy heart.
Clean up, hooray! We made our room bright today. Then play CocoLemon.